Changing spark plugs on a 2000 F450 with a 6.8 Triton V10. Had a dumbass moment. So, been having a misfire issue. Plugs are a little worn. Not terrible, but need to be changed anyways. So I had a misfire, so I've been playing with coils, placing coils. Had hell with one with the boot fitting. Pulled it out with this boot. It's a little shorter than the rest of them. That looks about right. And put another one in. Didn't really want to sit down, so I used the same boot again. Ended up switching that out again. Just kind of shoved it in there. Still had a misfire on that cylinder. It turns out the end of it had broken off. It was still down in the hole. So that's why it was shorter. Way too clean of a break, but that's why it was shorter. And yeah, ridiculous. So if you're gapping these, or if you're changing spark plugs, you need to know your gap on Super Duties for 099 to 04 and possibly other years. It's right there. It's on the sticker on the hood. So there you have it.